In this video, I want to teach you how to unlock the pattern lock screen password on your Samsung A06 phone. So I want you to pay close attention. First, before starting the procedure, remove your SIM card and your memory card as well, because this process will erase all files, photos, videos, and all information from your device. If you forgot this password here, unfortunately, there is no other alternative for us to remove this password without erasing the information on your device. One tip I want to give you as well, if you are not able to unlock your device even after following all the steps correctly, it's because some models require you to connect the cable. So go ahead and connect your cable. You will press at the same time. You don't need to download any program, just connect the cable to the computer, okay guys? You don't need to download any program, any file, nothing at all. Press the minus button and the power button together. When it restarts, release only the minus button and press the plus button. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button but keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. Then we'll go there and show you the unlock option, okay? Let's go then. I'll do the procedure here so you can follow along. Minus and power, cable connected, wait for the device to restart. Let's wait here for a few seconds. Release the minus, press the plus. Keep holding, pay attention to the screen. Release the power button. Keep pressing, continue holding the power button. There you go. Now, this is recovery mode. This procedure works for other Samsung models as well, okay guys? So now you go down by pressing the minus button until you reach the option Wipe Data Factory Reset. Click the power button once, go down again. Again, let's wait for this information to be completed. Once you reach this screen, press the power button one more time. And here, you just need to wait and your device will restart without any screen lock password, no PIN, no lock on the home screen, alright? Wait for it to restart. When it restarts, you can set it up as usual. If you also need to unlock your Google account email, we can do this unlock remotely, no matter where you are. Distance doesn't matter. You can contact me through the number that's in the video description. If this video helped you and you can make a contribution to our channel, our pics will also be in the video description and the QR code will be on the screen in case you want to make your contribution no matter the amount. What matters is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you. Thanks. Take care.